Can't tell if this lighting is chotohen. Hello friends, long time no see. I really haven't had anything interesting to record lately because I just have not been doing anything or going anywhere. But today I'm going to Kamakura and we're going to go see the autumn foliage. So I am actually meeting him at a station and then he's picking me up in his car and we're driving the rest of the way. It is about an hour and a half-ish outside of Tokyo, but like I said, it might actually be shorter than that because I'm not taking the train the whole way. Or it might be longer. I really don't know. I don't have much experience with cars and traffic here, especially outside of Tokyo. The only times I ever go in cars here is when I have to take a taxi. So I'm kind of excited, weirdly excited, to sit in the front seat of a car again. It's gonna be like old times. But yeah, Kamakura is just a really kind of big place that doesn't have as many buildings, so it's really good to go see nature, and I haven't been yet. That being said, it is a bit chilly out. We've definitely left Atsuine weather for Samuine weather, which is fine with me. I personally love cold weather, so I have no quarrel with it, except when it's windy. That kind of sucks. But yeah, hopefully I get some good content today. I'm hoping I'm getting better at remembering to film things and knowing what to film. I don't know. I'm still pretty new with this new camera, so we'll find out. Hopefully I don't screw it all up. Bye! Y'all want to hear something really pathetic about me? This is actually probably the earliest I've been up since I moved. I got up at 6 in the morning this morning. That is unheard of. My class doesn't start till 1:30 p.m. So I basically sleep in till like 11 p.m. every day. So anytime I have to get up earlier than that, it absolutely sucks asshole. The way there's no one out here because it's early on a Sunday, I absolutely agree. Jesus. Totally failed because there's actually no red leaves left. They've all fallen. Daijoubu.
social distancing.